of this.
Welcome back to Me on this channel, right?
Yep.
Today we're making
I don't know if there's
cupcakes.
enough in here. We might have to get the other.
We're making cupcakes, though, right?
Yep. We got to go get the other thing of oil because we don't have enough. Hang on. Don't pour it in yet. I got to go get the other bottle of it.
I'm going to make everything. No,
You want to make everything?
yeah. I want...
Where did I put the other cup?
I want you... Okay, but I want you and me to make everything. Like a little video.
Alright, come on.
I don't care
I
about
got to
the video.
find...
But I don't care about the video that's on the video. That's on the
Okay.
TV recording. Well, not that. I care about this video, not the one in the living room.
Oh, okay. What did I do with...
Apparently, Nana
Did I put it down here?
Okay, but Nana stopped recording. And because she thought I was talking about I don't care about this video, you guys. But no, I don't care about the one that's in the living room. Right?
Well, that's close. Put it in there.
Okay.
I don't know where the other... Oh, wait. I know where it is. Down here.
Well, I already
That's
put
all right. That's all right. We'll just put in a little bit more.
Okay.
I just remembered where I put it.
Why were you prepared for this?
There.
Why?
Put that in.
Why were you prepared for
Why
this?
was I prepared?
Yeah.
Because you're supposed to be prepared. Did you pour it in?
Yeah.
Hold on. Don't do anything yet. Don't do anything. We're going to put this in the sink.
Yes.
Then it says to turn it on and mix.
Can I do it?
We're just going to watch it. We got to do it for 2 minutes.
Guys.
Timer. 1, 2.
Look, guys. This is starting to look very yummy, right?
Yep.
I want that to go in there. Okay?
Hang on.
I want this.
Watch out.
Okay, banana, I want this to go in. Stop blocking.
I got to scrape the sides
Oh. Okay.
so we can make sure we have all the cake mix in.
That's what Unspeakable has. This. No, what?
Yeah.
And it fell off once. Can I press it? Can I press
Yeah. Pull it up twice. Pull.
this?
Yep. Carefully.
This?
No. One more. One more. There we go.
Guys, look how yummy this is. I want this to get poured in there.
It will. In another minute.
I'm not gonna actually hold it the whole video.
Now we need to put the cupcake in. Right?
Yeah.
Can you count with me? 4. No. 5. 6. 7.
So that's the way it's lost.
9. No.
Is it
10.
30?
11.
Is
12.
it 30?
Yes. Don't just hang on to it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll
5,
put it in the sink.
6.
Huh?
No.
Why?
I'm not done with it yet.
Yeah, sprinkles. So. Yeah, that's what I thought. Clean up. The timer went off.
No, it's not done yet though, because I stopped it for a minute, remember? Let's stop it. Lift it up. There's still more on the side, so we're just going to do it.
The cash fry?
Wait.
Cash fry?
When I'm done, you can do it. When it's done.
No, I want to stir it too.
Can you put the top down?
let me.
No, you gotta put it down.
Okay, but let me.
Now lock it. Now turn it. One more. Yep, that's fine. Just for a minute. And you get to lick the batter all to yourself, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ew.
you don't like it?
No, I don't like that. But it looks yummy.
You want to lick this? No? What's part of baking? Is licking. Let's wash this off because you licked it. Now we have to add the secret ingredient.
What's secret? Oh, yeah, let me do it.
Hold on, I'm going to open it.
You're not doing everything I'm doing. You're doing some of it with me, Cat,
Yeah,
but I'm going to do way
pour
more.
it in there.
You're
Pour it
gonna,
in.
okay, but you're going to do some of it with me, but I'm going to do more. Cat?
All of it.
You're going to do
Yes, honey, yes.
just do some of it, but I'll do all of this stuff because I love baking. Okay?
Yeah. Is it all in?
Yeah. But let me show the viewers that's watching us. No, let me show the viewers that's trying to learn how to
Right.
make. Let me show the viewers.
What? Show them.
Look. So we're trying to teach you how to make this, right?
Cupcakes, right?
Yeah, we're trying to teach them how
First
to make
we made
this.
the batter,
Yeah, but we went to Bicycles to get the...
and now we just put in chocolate pudding mix.
Yup. Look how yummy it is. Look. It smells so delicious. I love that. Don't put sprinkles
Now
in
we
there.
need to
Don't put sprinkles down.
get these. And this is for, you should have an adult do this because it'll get spilled all over if you don't.
Oh. Look, guys. I have to hold this because that you're blocking this thing.
Yep, I'm blocking it.
The thing that's holding it, the phone, right?
Yep.
We could call it a camera, but we're just gonna call it a phone for now, right?
Right.
But you have to watch until the end of the video. We're gonna see you. But wait, this is gonna take a while. But we're gonna see you later. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're back. And it's taking a while, right?
Right.
It was taking so long, right?
Right.
To get it all the way up to here.
Right.
And I don't like that. I talk more than Nana does, right?
Right.
You say right, I say right.
Let's put the first batch in.
Yeah, we're gonna put the first batch inside of there. I'm gonna close it, okay?
Yep.
I like
Jeez.
I like baking.
You know?
Yeah. Wait, what?
You planted security cameras all over my house. What do you mean?
I don't even own GoPros. I don't have a GoPro.
Alright, so here's the deal. Take the truck back to the house, return the Legos, and then we're good.
And you have to buy us Chick-fil-A.
Alright, fine.
Yeah. Keep finding food.
Ba 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 da. But more. This is gonna take a long time. We're gonna do it we're gonna pause the video until an hour, right? Bye. Hi guys.
Buy all the merchandise and
Let's check on how Nana's doing. I thought a break was for him. How long did it take for you to get all the way to here?
About 10 minutes.
No, like it is.
10, 15
Wait, hours?
minutes.
It took so hours.
Minutes.
Did it take hours?
No.
Probably because this is smaller than the other one, right?
Uh-huh. Scraping the bowl.
But guys, if you have all these ingredients, then wait, what are we gonna use this for?
There.
This.
I don't know. Watch out. You gotta put these in here.
But guys, if you're trying
Then
to
we have to look on the back of the box.
okay, but guys, if you're trying to learn how to make all of this stuff, then we will teach you the way, right?
Yep. 14 minutes.
Yeah, with a 1 and a 4. It's going down the timer. We will see you in a couple hours. Bye. No, you can't. Yeah. Bye. Took hours.
Tell me something cool is gonna happen. I have no idea what's happening. And now there's camera happening. So I'm gonna need some explanation before I take this thing apart and break it.
well, you're gonna stay right there.
Now you gotta start using your tablet.
No,
My
but
phone back.
I'm trying to record still.
Record with your phone. Put the tablet.
Stores on it. Whatever you spin and land on, we have to draw it on the whiteboard within 60 seconds.
Okay, well, we will see you in a brand new video. Bye.